Greetings friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. Del Puckett here, and look at what's on my workbench. Right there. That is a Partigas cigar box with a 20-inch scale fretboard here. I'll show you up close. So I have the piezo under the saddle and the volume control knob, potentiometer, everything's grounded. I do have the screw for the hinge grounded also as well. Of course, the business card. I have Golden Grommet sound holes, a Lowe's fretboard neck. I haven't put the position markers on it yet. And of course the tuners. And okay, so the next thing is to button it up, string it up, tune it up, and tear it up. The strings on this one are the 44 tuned to G, the 34 tuned to D, and the 26 tuned to G. And we're stretching out. So I did set the intonation, and I also put little grooves in here so that it'll hold the strings in place. And I also put the nails on the top here for the position markers. So this is the Vox Mini, and let's see here, compression, this is chorus, flanger, this is tremolo, and let's see here. This is no effects. Just clean up straight. And here is some delay. And it has a tap tempo, so I can like tap tempo in here. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And it also has what they call, there's a difference between a delay and an echo. Here's an echo. Sounds the same to me, right? And then they have a spring reverb. And then I also have a room reverb. So, oh yeah, and so we also got, so I'm going to turn off all of the effects back to 0, and then I'll turn up some distortion. So this thing's going to squeal because it does have a piezo. That's a distorted sound. Alright, that's it for this video. And this guitar is build number 341. Number 341. That's it, guys. See you next video.